had the HiBoost, I had terrible cell phone signal everywhere I went. Now, at least at home, I have excellent cell phone signal. This really boosts your cell reception. And like I said, 12,000 square feet of coverage in any building. So it can really boost the signal for a very big building if you need it. When you install the outdoor antenna, make sure the antenna is facing the cell phone tower for best signal. I live here in the mountains, and sometimes cell phone reception is terrible. My wife and my kids, they can't get a hold of me when I'm at home. So I got the signal booster, and now they can get a hold of me. And it's made life much easier. Inside the box, you have the HiBoost machine. This is the LCD signal receiver. You also have your cables for connecting your outdoor antenna and your indoor antenna. Of course, the outdoor antenna, which needs to face the signal tower in order to get the best reception. Your indoor antenna, and you simply hook those two up together with the cables. Also comes with your charge cable and mounting accessories for mounting the antenna. And you have your handy little wire you can run through the window if you need to. So the user manual with all your questions answered. I highly recommend the HiBoost. This is the one you need in your life if you need to. Very excited to share with you my HiBoost cell phone booster. Just got it in the mail. So we're going to get into what came in the box here. You have your outside antenna. It's very simple to install. You install it outside your house. And then you have your indoor antenna to connect on the other end. And then you just set up your HiBoost box on your desk or wherever you need your cell phone service to be better. It's very high quality material. It's durable. It's got full tech support and a free app for you if you ever need any questions answered about it. So inside the box you get this is your inside antenna. You have two internal antennas, in fact. You've got one hook up to your house, and then you've got this one goes on your desk, and it'll cover up to 12,000 square feet of coverage area. Also comes in the box a user manual. Answers all your questions you may have about it. It's very high quality material. As you can see, the connections are very strong, very durable material. Excellent product, very nice. Installation is very easy. You install your outdoor antenna on your roof or outside of your house, and you can even use this little wire here to run through your window. That way you don't have to dig holes in the ground or damage your property in any way. Connect those wires to your internal antenna, your inside antenna, and then you simply put the other inside antenna on the desk or table or whatever you'd like to do, whatever room you would like to increase your cell phone boosting in. HiBoost also comes with a lifetime warranty, guaranteed warranty. You also have free 24-hour tech support through their app and website, and you may also message the seller on Amazon, and they have a very fast response time. If you ever have any questions and need to use their app, you can find it on the Google Play Store. It's called Signal Supervisor. Very friendly customer service, very easy to use.